Alright guys, so once you have followed the link to powtoon, this is where it will take you. And the first thing you need to do is make an account. So you click sign up, and then you can click sign up with Google if you are using your school Chromebook or you have your school email connected to what you are logging in with. If not, you can just go ahead and put it right in here. So for me, I will put my email right here, or I can click sign up with Google. I like to use sign up with Google. You click your email, and then it takes you to welcome to powtoon. And then it has yes, count me in, or no thanks. And you want to click no thanks because you should be using your school email and you don't want a bunch of spam. Go ahead and click continue. Now it has you at the opening page. Now you're making your project and you have all these choices to work from. Go ahead and just exit the chat once it pops up. And you can just do solutions, templates, pricing, support. Ignore pricing because we want to keep a free account. Go ahead and go to templates. Once you go to templates, you have all of these templates that can help guide you into making your first powtoon. And all of them are editable, so you can, even though, say, you choose this one, it says COVID-19, you can change all those words. Now, the thing you need to be careful of is to make sure you don't pick a template that says Pro Plus. You may want to make it easier on yourself and change the all by clicking this arrow right here. And just choosing different ones that you think would be easier for you. So you can do presentations, explain videos, trainings, whichever one you feel would be easier. For education, you might want to do remote learning or a student. For the student, they have more free templates. As you can see, there are still some pro ones. Now again, pay close attention to these pro ones because if you decide to do a pro one, when you send it to me, it's going to ask you to pay for it, and we don't want that. So I'm just going to click a random one like this book report, and I can preview it, and it will show me the whole thing. And if I like it, then I can put, yep, let's use this template. Click Let's Rock. And now all of this I can edit. So the hello I can edit. Luckily, the thing that I love about powtoon is almost everything your first time around has some kind of tutorial. So you can click show me how or got it. If this is your first time, you'll probably want to do the show me how. So you can just go ahead and edit any of this and all of this, and you can click. It's a lot like a Google slide or a PowerPoint, which makes it easier. Now, to submit it to me, what you are going to want to do is click export and share link. Now, once you have this link, you can go ahead and copy it, and then you are going to want to take this link and submit it in our Google Classroom. Now, as you know, in your Google Classroom, you go to the assignment under classwork. Once you click on the assignment, there is a box in the corner that we use all the time that says attach / hand in. You click attach, you put the link in there, and then you hand it in, and I will be able to see your wonderful powtoon. So that is how you do this. If you guys have any more questions, just let me know. And that is it. Hopefully this is helpful.